Let's meet Ayush, a real estate owner. His home garage door opener was broken, so he needed a quick replacement. He searched the internet and discovered Adams Garage Doors LLC, the top repair provider in Alexandria. He quickly scheduled their services, and their technician arrived the same day to inspect the issue. Thanks to Adams Garage Doors LLC, the work was completed within 2 days without the need for a costly replacement. To get quick garage door replacement services, like him, visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com or call 7036236766.